Welcome to solverfy.
For this question, we are looking at the theory of evolution and its credibility, or the amount that people trust it to be true. So the first important part of this is to remember the date involved with the creation of the theory of evolution proposed by Charles Darwin. So Charles Darwin first published his paper in 1858. So you can expect there's a great difference in the public view of evolution back in 1858 as comparison to current years. One of the big influences on the credibility or the acceptance by the scientific community for each of these is the degree of technology and the amount of testing we have been able to put this theory through. So in 1858, you can imagine that religion was a large factor for scientific beliefs. So the theory of evolution met many challenges to religion, which is much highly established and had even governmental and ruling powers to help oversee the beliefs of the worldwide population. However, in 2020 or current years, we now have the technology to look at, say, genes and other factors that were not able to be looked at back in the past. So by putting these theories, such as evolution, to the test with our modern technology, we are able to see the credibility of this actual theory and apply it to what we know about science. So here you can imagine that in 1858, the credibility was actually pretty low due to it not being very well established, it being reposted by, say, religion and other beliefs that were not well founded in scientific discoveries as well. Whereas in current years, the credibility is much higher due to the amount of testing it has undergone. With those in mind, the best answer choice here is going to be A, that back in 1858 it wasn't so well accepted, whereas in modern years it is more accepted and taught in colleges and communities around the world. And this is due to that amount of testing and trials we have put evolution through, which was influenced by theories that typically have low credibilities that people typically don't believe in, have many scientists that try to disprove it or find out other theories or hypotheses instead. Imagine gravity back with Charles Newton. It may not have been well accepted back then, but as people become unable to disprove the theory or propose a better option, the credibility of the theory actually rises and becomes more commonly and well accepted. In finality, here you should pick answer choice A as the best solution.